Wow, look at this.
We seriously want to put this on TV.
Momo, stop it.
I completely love you. Thank you for getting this for me. Thank you, Jabber Walking. Thank you, and I'm gonna watch that whole video. Come on, wanna watch it with me?
Oh, it was here. I don't need to watch it. Do you think Molly likes her boobs?
Yeah. I'm missing two. Come on, you can do it.
Momo.
Oh,
Aww.
we didn't make the nice bacon. Oh, get it started.
Hey, we're good.
Yes. Wow, Lee, you're like a sharpshooter.
How long should it be in the oven?